The clients will come to us if they're just not happy about the returns or the variability in the stock market. And they've always wanted to own a rental property portfolio, but they don't want to be active. They don't want to do anything. They want it to be completely passive. So they'll come to us. And so we build new construction houses.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Did you read the thing? No? Oh, all right. It'll make for good reading.
I bought a new construction home a few years ago.
Really?
Like, how would that work for,
So, well, what happens is, we serve this up to you pretty much on a silver platter, in essence, right? We already built the home. We already put the tenant in place. We already have the property management because we are doing the property management. We don't outsource it. It's all in-house. And then we work with you. We understand what your portfolio goals are, and so maybe it's 3 properties would be the right amount for you, or 1 or 5 or whatever. And then you'll be able to buy those individual assets. And the management's already in place, the tenant's already in place, so you can start to create cash flow day one, and then it's passive for you.
So is it like a typical down payment, like on a home? Like I would put whatever, like the 20% down, and then like you guys kind of run with it?
Well, let's go back. So have you purchased a home before?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And so you put 20% down?
Right.
I'm assuming? Okay. So it's the same thing as if you were going to invest with JWB, right? We sell the we owned it before.
Okay.
We put the tenant in it while we owned it. Then we sell it to you. And then, let's say the house is a $200,000 house. All right? So we help you with the financing, and 20% down is $40,000, right? So at the closing table, you buy the house, right? You bring your 20%, $40,000. The bank the financing brings the other $160,000, and now you own that house. So
you have the tenant, property manager.
Tenant will never know your name. They'll never ever call you. We manage everything. We handle everything, and then we send the monthly rental income to you every month.
So it's just a base thing, like you'll be able to figure out like what that rental income is like before, like I say, okay, I want to buy a house.
We'll take a look. There's an example here. Well, this is one way that we track all of our clients' returns, so that's cool. But here's a real example. So this is a client's property that was purchased in 2018, price of $175,000. It was all of their loan terms. So their initial investment that they brought to purchase the house is $48,000. All right, and then this is how their returns look over time. So 2018, they owned it that many days. 2019, this was made 7 months into 2019 or whatnot. And you can see how their returns are calculated. But what we're calculating really is the gross rental income minus all of their expenses. So for you, the most important things that I think you're going to care about are, how much does it cost to get in, right? Well, just like any purchase, you're going to put your investment, your initial investment, whatever your down payment plus your closing cost is. Same thing. And then ongoing, we're going to do all the management for you. And so the net cash flow, which is your gross rental income minus all of your expenses, just gets sent to you. And that's how that, 10% return. I tell people 7 to 9% return is typically what you should expect.
And so like all your properties are out of Jacksonville, like that you're in, or?
That's the only place. Yeah. A lot of people think about going to other markets and,
Yeah, but do what you know, right?
We just love to stick in Jacksonville.